I got to ask this question today. How is Google integrating their AI tool, Gemini, into Gmail? And that's a great question because there are a lot of new features in Gmail because of Google's new AI tool, Gemini. Now, it's important to understand these basics. Let me bring up this list for you. Give me a second. Here's the list I put together. It's important to understand the differences for accessing the Gemini AI tool. Let's just call it Gemini. Accessing Gemini in Gmail, whether you're using free Gmail or you're using Google Workspace. So let's break this down a little bit. In Gmail, you get basic summaries, and I'll show this to you in a minute. In Google Workspace, you can ask Gemini to expand the summaries and give you a little deeper insight. In Gmail, when you're replying or creating a new message, you have the ability to use the slash, and that will prompt Gemini to help you write these replies and new messages. In Google Workspace, not only do you have the prompting, but you also get suggested replies, just suggested replies. And those suggested replies show up not only when you're in a message and ready to type a message, you can hit the slash and prompt it, but you can also get those suggested replies just when you're looking at your list of email messages that you may not have replied to yet. In Gmail, you get the Gemini app, just like, just any other app. But you mostly get what's called fast mode responses, which is just what it says, a fast mode, not a whole lot of thinking. Now, you do get the other two modes. You can get, a few 30 to 50 thinking mode responses, and you can get maybe 5 to 15 pro mode responses. Plus, you can have 50 video results, and you can have only 15 gigs of storage in Gemini, okay? Now, let's go and look at Google Workspace. In Google Workspace, you get the full Gemini app, and you get access to more use of the 3 AI modes of fast, thinking, and pro. Plus, you get way more video results and way more storage in the Gemini app. Now, I didn't give you specific numbers for what you get with Google Workspace with the Gemini app. And the reason being is dependent upon what subscription you have, whether it's Google Workspace Standard, Google Workspace Business, or Pro, or Education, et cetera, the numbers change. The amount of responses you can get from Fast Thinking and Pro, the number of video results you get, and the amount of space you get in the Gemini app will vary. But let it be understood, it's still going to be way more than you get with free Gmail. Now, I created 2 other videos. I created a video all about Gemini embedded in free Gmail. And I created the second video is Gemini embedded into Google Workspace Gmail. So if you want to see how I use Gemini in free Gmail, or you want to see how I use Gemini in Google Workspace, then find those 2 videos. I'll put the links to them in the descriptions here so that you can easily get to them. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. I'm all about experimenting with Gemini and AI tools. And I hope this is helpful for you.